Hello friends, so in today's video we are going to make a project for the new year. So we will add some sprites. We have chosen our sprites. So we will choose our backdrop. Now we will do coding of our sprites. We will choose Toby and place it here. We will take when green flag clicked, forever loop, motions, glide 1 second. We will change it to 0.1 second. We will place it little bit upwards. We will take glide 1 second and change it 0.2 second. We will take zone, place it here. When green flag clicked, forever loop, motions, glide 1 second too. We will place it little bit upwards and take glide 1 second. We will change it to 0.2, 0.1. We will take hazel, put it here. When green flag clicked, forever loop, glide 1 second to coordinates, place it little bit upwards, glide 1 second. We will change that sex. Now we will take Isaac. We will place it here. When green flag clicked, forever loop, glide 1 second, 0.1, place it little bit upwards, 0.2 seconds. We will take ballerina and put it here. As our costumes are of dancing, we will take green flag clicked, forever loop, looks, next costume, wait 0.2 seconds. We will take Abby, when green flag clicked, forever loop. We will place it here. We will small it size 70. Place it here. We will go to costumes and flip horizontal. We will take glide 1 second, 0.1 second. We will place it little bit upwards. We will take glide 0.2 second and change its X. We will choose Daisy. Place it here. As its costumes is also like little bit dancing, we will take when green flag clicked, forever loop, looks, next costume, control wait, 0.2 seconds. We will paint a sprite for Happy New Year 2025. We will take text, fill color, red, Happy New Year. We will change its style to handwriting and increase its size. We will write here 2025, change color to orange, change its style to curly. We will make it bigger and put it here. We will set its location. We will do a coding for backdrop. Events, when green flag clicked, forever loop, looks, change color effect by 25. Now it is ready. Let's see it. As you saw that our project is performing perfectly. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like and subscribe.